Proper wash, rinse, sanitize procedures in the 3-bay sink. Why is it important to properly wash, rinse, sanitize equipment and utensils used in the food preparation process? It's important to properly wash, rinse, sanitize all equipment and utensils to remove soils and harmful bacteria that can lead to foodborne illnesses affecting your customers and your brand. Usage procedures. Before you begin, please note that ChemStar recommends you wear proper personal protective equipment, which includes but is not limited to approved rubber gloves. Also, please verify that the 2.5-gallon containers of detergent and sanitizer are connected correctly. To properly complete this task, you'll need a few supplies. Make sure you have these items ready to go before you begin: the thumbs-up unit, detergent in a 2.5-gallon container, sanitizer in a 2.5-gallon container, either QSAN or QSAN 7.5, a quat test kit, either QT10 for QSAN or QT40 for QSAN 7.5, a scrub brush, rubber gloves, and a small container. Filling each sink. Prepare the 3-bay sink by first washing the sides and the bottom of each section of the sink and remove all soils and debris. To fill sink number 1, the wash section with detergent, press the blue button on the dispensing unit and turn clockwise to lock it into the on position. Once activated, the dispensing unit will automatically dispense the proper diluted mixture of hot water and detergent. When the desired level of product in the wash section of the sink is reached, simply turn the blue button counterclockwise and release to stop the flow of product. To fill sink number 2, the rinse section, with clean hot water, open the faucet and fill the rinse section of the 3-bay sink to the desired level. To fill sink number 3, the sanitize section with quat sanitizer, press the red button on the dispensing unit and turn clockwise to lock it into the on position. Once activated, the dispensing unit will automatically dispense the proper diluted mixture of warm water of about 75 degrees and QSAN sanitizer. Once the desired level of product in the sanitized section of the sink is reached, simply turn the red button counterclockwise and release to stop the flow of product. Checking the temperature of the sanitizer solution. It's important to verify that the sanitizer section of the 3-bay sink has the required sanitizer concentration of either 200 ppm if using QSAN or 150 to 400 ppm if using QSAN 7.5. Before beginning the sanitizer test, you must verify that the temperature of the solution in the sanitizer section is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. You must locate the Quat Test Kit 10 if using QSAN or Quat Test 40 if using QSAN 7.5. And you must locate a small container to hold a sample of the sanitizer solution. In order to achieve accurate sanitizer test results, it's very important that you do not place the sanitizer test strip in a bubbly sanitizer solution, that you do not shake the sanitizer test strip, and that the sanitizer test strip does not stay submerged in the sanitizer solution for more than 10 seconds. To conduct the sanitizer test, fill a small container with the sanitizer solution and let it sit for 5 minutes. Then, place one sanitizer test strip inside the sanitizer solution and hold for 10 seconds before removing. Remove the sanitizer test strip from the sanitizer solution and compare the color of the sanitizer test strip to the color chart provided on the cover of the Quat Test Kit. Confirm that the sanitizer test strip matches the color corresponding to the color marked for 200 ppm if using QSAN or between 150 to 400 ppm if using QSAN 7.5. If the sanitizer solution does not measure correctly, please complete the process over again. If a second attempt does not result in the desired concentration, please call ChemStar immediately on the sanitation hotline at 1-800-327-0777. The washing, rinsing, and sanitation process. To wash, rinse, and sanitize tools and equipment, first place all of the desired items in sink number 1, the wash section of the 3-bay sink, and allow soaking for 5 to 10 minutes. Then, use an approved scrub brush or pad to remove soils from tools and equipment. After thorough washing is completed, rinse the tools and equipment in sink number 2, the rinse section of the 3-bay sink. To sanitize the tools and equipment, place each item in sink number 3, the sanitizer section of the 3-base sink, for at least 60 seconds. Lastly, remove items from the sanitizer section and place on the clean and sanitize drain board. Allow all tools and equipment to completely air dry. Please remember that detergent and sanitizer should only be used by following the procedures outlined in this ChemStar training video. Any other form of use is prohibited. Remember, the proper use of ChemStar's cleaning and sanitation products, along with the consistent execution of your food safety cleaning and sanitation standard operating procedures, will ensure that your premises are well cleaned and sanitized, and that you, your colleagues, and your customers are protected from food safety risks. This training video was produced exclusively by ChemStar Corporation, your food safety and sanitation partner. And remember, it's not just clean, it's ChemStar Clean.